crazy to think I drove up this road in the middle of the night during a snowstorm. Not the smartest call, but I did it. Absolutely gorgeous down here in the canyons. Man, it really doesn't get much more beautiful than down here in the canyons in southern Colorado. This is by the Spanish Peaks area, down by Aguilera, closer towards like the New Mexico border, but still at 8,000 plus feet, plenty of snow up here, so always be prepared if you come up in these areas to possibly get snowed in. I've been up on this pass for about a week, so be prepared. Make sure you got more warm gear than you think you need. But absolutely fucking gorgeous out here. Just can't beat it. Four-wheel drive is definitely going to need to look at after this trip. It has been put to work. Man, how did I not see some of this stuff in the middle last night? Or when I came up here about a week ago. Yeah, it was a week. Shit. Last Monday. Damn. But the beauty out here makes it well worth the trip. Well worth it. Hopefully get down off of this a little sooner than later, because now that the sun's coming out, it's going to make this shit slick as hell. That's one thing up here, is that the snow will come, and then as soon as it gets decent sun, it starts melting, and you get these muddy ice slicks all over the road that are, if you ain't got four-wheel drive, you ain't making it through it. So my goodness. Creek bed over here that runs all the way down the valley, goes all the way through down to Aguilar. And there's just all these other little switchback canyons everywhere back here. A lot of this is owned by oil and pipeline or ranchers, so you gotta pay attention where you're going back in these stretches. But enjoy the rest of the drive on the way down.